Hi guys, I'm Isabelle and I'm back with another quick makeup tutorial. Today I'm doing a spring inspired makeup look and I've been really into this makeup lately. So I will do a golden metallic cat eye with a really natural lip. I already applied my base, my foundation and concealer, and now I'm applying my favorite blush, NARS in Orgasm. For the highlighter, I'm using Nudestix All Over Face Color in the shade Illuminati. I'm also applying it under my eyebrows. For my eyes, I'm using Nudestix Magnetic Matte Eye Color in the shade Taupe. And I'm using my finger to blend it all over my eyelid. For the metallic cat eye, I'm using Nudestix Rock N Roller in Golden Rosé. For a really natural lip, I'm using Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat in Pillow Talk to define my lips. And on top of it, I'm also using Matte Revolution lipstick in Pillow Talk. Now I'm applying Benefit They're Real tinted primer on my bottom lashes. And I'm finishing off my look with Benefit They're Real mascara. So that was a quick and easy makeup to do for spring. If you liked it, please like the video, thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to see more of my videos because that really motivates me. And every time I see a new subscriber, I'm freaking happy. So please continue subscribing. It means so much to me. So thank you again and see you in the next video. Bye.